Yo RVers, it's Mikey B at Beckley's RVs. Got an awesome one today. Winnebago View 24T that's got a lot of space. Let's dive right into it. All right, so the floor plan is a 24T. It is the View by Winnebago. Phenomenal use of space. In this small footprint, probably the best that I have seen. Let's start in the kitchen. We have an L-shaped kitchen here that gives us a lot of utility for preparing any of those big meals. We have, of course, our kitchen sink with a nice deep stainless steel circular bowl. We have a counter extension immediately to the left to give us just a lot more prep area. We have a little bit of storage underneath of it, but it is utilized for some utility. So we have an end cabinet. But if you look overhead, we have a big cabinet here. As we move over to the right side of it, of course, we're going to have our cooking appliances. We're going to have a single propane stovetop here. We have an induction stovetop that you can really get some quick heating to it. And of course, your microwave and convection oven. So that is a doubles down. But again, love the use of the space. I feel open, as small as this footprint may be, with a lot of storage, including these three big drawers at the underneath here that you'll see. Before we wrap up the kitchen, I really have to point out this very quickly. Winnebago did an awesome job. We see so many touchscreen controls in a lot of our RVs. Winnebago's touchscreen controls are by far my favorite. You can get into any of the menus very easily and you can bounce around. So for example, turning on the generator, bouncing over to the thermostat control, it is so darn easy. But anyway, let's wrap up the kitchen. Of course, we're gonna have our refrigerator freezer here, 12 volt. Gets colder much quicker, and it is huge. You're gonna have a lot of space to make sure that you have all your goodies that go along with you. And to the right of it, we have a really well-designed, innovative kind of space that they doubled down and made sure you had some pantry space as well. One of my favorite little nooks of this floor plan is the entertainment dinette setup. At the top, we have our entertainment stuff. Of course, we have some cabinetry, the TV, the sound bar, and all the hookups that we're gonna need to be able to really encapsulate an awesome entertainment experience. But I also love the fact that the dinette is on the awning side. We have a huge big window here that I can view out just in case I need to check on the dog, or just to be able to sit here and enjoy my morning coffee and catch up on what the latest and greatest that's happening at the campground. And then of course this dinette is superior. We have a really nice two-person dinette. We have charging ports at both sides. Again, some more storage that we can throw some quick, maybe spices or utensils, things like that. And it's really cool that Winnebago is so innovative that if we do not need that dinette, I'm an outdoor person, I'm usually sitting a lot of times outside, we can collapse this and make it into a lot more floor space. Let's get into it. My next favorite part, of course, all the parts are my favorite, but this slide out is huge, gives us a lot of floor space. But again, the innovation with just making sure that we have everything that we need in this 20-foot floor plan, and the versatility of this Murphy bed sofa setup is by far superior in this little setup. Of course, we got our sofa here, and it is a wide sofa. I've seen it so many times that this floor plan is usually a let's call it a love seat, if you will. We can comfortably get 3 people, but you know, this is primarily a couples coach. I love the fact that we can drop down this middle section. We've got cup holders. I can kick up my feet. I love the angle of the TV here that I could really get into enjoying myself comfortably. And on top of the recliner at the foot, we also have a supported headrest that we can kick out, and especially if we're reclined, and just enjoy that movie time that much more. But if we want to get into the Murphy bed, this is super easy to collapse. Let's get into that. My favorite part of this coat, I'm just kidding. Another favorite part. You got to have a good night's sleep, right? And again, this Murphy bed is super easy. We'll show you how to do it here in a second, but check out this bed. It is really soft. It is a full queen bed, if I'm not mistaken. I love the lighting that they have with the window behind it. I could also open it and get just some fresh air. You've got a reading light in case you want to knock out all these overhead lights. And then last but not least, of course, we have our overhead cabinetry. That way I can stow some of those real quick items that I might need for bedtime. case you get any camping stowaways that are gonna come with you, we have extra bed space just in case. The Cabover bed, I'm gonna say it's probably a weird queen size, double size, but we can sleep 2 adults up there. Little bit shallow in head height, so don't make sure you have a nightmare and set up quickly. And it can easily be put away with a couple quick moves. And last but not least, we have windows and charging ports to make sure your extra stowaways are comfortable. And my last favorite part, you get it. This is a favorite floor plan of mine. We have a really nice bathroom that stretches from side to side of the coach, a lot more storage again, to make sure that you got your long trips, you have everything that comes along with you. When you walk in, immediately to your left is gonna be your sink. Next to that is a closet, I guess if you wanna call it, with adjustable shelves. Big mirror, make sure you check all your hair. I love this little space back here. We've got, again, adjustable shelf, even with some drawers that come out so we can throw some toiletries back in there. To the other side, of course, we're gonna have a wardrobe space for some hanging garments, gosh, loss of words. And then the shower is phenomenal. It is huge. We even have a nice little seating area just in case you gotta scrub off them feet from the dirt and all. But anyway, big skylight just to enhance that space and light for that comfortable shower. All right, yeah, so the floor plan is awesome. You get it, right? But driving this thing is going to be just equally as fun and awesome. Mercedes, if you haven't seen any of my other videos, you guys know I love the Mercedes, just the ergonomics, the diesel torque and the power that you have with it, the transmission, being able to maximize that fuel economy alongside the diesel engine. But again, ergonomics, we have a lot of seat adjustments, steering wheel, everything is within arm's reach, and the visibility in the Class C Mercedes is phenomenal. Big windshield, big mirrors, turn or lane assist, all those safety features. You don't just take my word for it. You got to come out and give it a test drive. But this, again, this floor plan, it's a Winnebago View 24T. Again, give it thumbs up if you like it. Comment below. Love to hear your impressions, or more importantly, so much that we didn't get to cover. Ask your questions. I'll get you some answers. And everybody, smash that subscribe button. Show us some love. I'm Mikey B at Beckley's RVs. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you out at the campsites.